I wanna show you how to freeze the frame inside the Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, just position the marker on the part of the video where you want to freeze the frame. Then, go over and click on the camera icon. From here, you can also rename the name of the clip whatever you want. And if you click on the import, the freeze frame will be imported to your project panel. The second way is the much more easier one. You just position the timeline on the part of the video where you want to freeze the frame, right click of the mouse and select Insert Frame Hold Segment. This will add a 2-second duration freeze frame of that clip into your timeline. In case if you wanna extend or shorten your freeze frame, just press and hold Ctrl and you will see that your cursor will become into the yellow bracket, which you can then click and drag to the left or right to modify the duration of your clip. The benefit of using this keyboard command is the rest of your video clip will move with the new modified duration instead of having to drag your video. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.